Hey, assalamu alaikum, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nabiilabee. Today is going to be a haul and a try on haul as well. I'm going to try this stuff on. Well, I'm going to attempt to. This plant is actually pricking my arm. Lighting is such a struggle, but I thought, you know what, got my face on, I've got the enthusiasm. Ahmed's looking after Nazmia, so I need to like get in there and just make the video. Okay, so this is proving to be a lot harder to film than I thought. It's just really dark, so I'm going to try and film as much of it as I possibly can. This is the dress. I do have a, basically this is what the neckline looks like, and I got a scarf on top because it's a little bit immodest from the top, but this is basically what it looks like, and it's got two pockets on either sides. Let me show you. Oh, actually that's okay, that's not too bad. Right, let me show you. So basically it's got two pockets on either sides like this, and it's quite long. So that absolutely flopped, so I'm having to just show you what I got and try and insert like clips and stuff of the outfits. But so got this really cute jacket, and this is what it looks like. So it's just like this. Absolutely love this jacket. Looks like this. I think it's great. I can't wait to wear it. Then next thing is this blazer. This is a really cool blazer. It's very Chanel-esque, and I wanted like a tweed kind of blazer like this, and I got it in cream. It looks like this, and I'm gonna style it up and see how it's gonna look. I really like the colors. I'm glad I got a light one. I find that like these kind of shades just work really well in my wardrobe right now. I've got a lot of stuff to put this with. Got really cute shirts and stuff, so we'll just see how that looks. I've got this camo jumper dress. I'm not really too keen on this, to be honest. I'll probably just wear this at home, and that's it. That's all I really have to say about it. Like, it is great, but I'm kind of not really feeling this, to be honest. And then, however, this piece is currently my favorite piece in my wardrobe. Just like my favorite everyday piece. I can literally throw on this hoodie with anything, boots, trainers, Vans, whatever, a turban, and I'm ready to go. This is perfect if you have a baby, or if you're just lazy like me to get ready. It's super long, so it's like a hoodie dress, and it's in this gorgeous fabric, like a knitted fabric. It's really soft. It's got a hood, like it's got a pocket. It's just so great. I love this, and I've been wearing it so much. Like, I've worn it twice already this week, so that's how much I love it, and it's just a great versatile piece to have in your wardrobe. Next, I have this skirt, which looks like this. It's a snake's print skirt, but as you can see, it's yellow. It is see-through, but it's got split down the back anyway, so this is a separate skirt, guys, so you know that. It does have a split in the back, so I will be wearing it with trousers or like leggings or something, or even tights. But I really wanted to try out skirts, so I thought Shein would be the best place to try out skirts, because everything's so cheap and affordable. And you know, if you want to try any trend out, they are really the place to go, because you know, you won't be just wasting your money on anything. I got this really classy dress, and it's this deep maroon shade. It's coming out a lot red on camera than it actually is, and it's got like a fake knot at the front, and then it goes down. It's really long, and then it's got like a split on the side. I do really like this, but I think I need the right leggings and the right turtleneck underneath them, just because the split is quite high, so I need like just the right shades. Next dress, jacket. I love this jacket. Like, the thing is, the past 3 times that I've been shopping on Shein, I've seen this jacket. It was screaming my name, but each time I was like, nope, I'm not gonna get it, I'm not gonna get it. And this time around I was like, I'm gonna get it. Like, how can I not? Got this in a size medium, and I'm so glad I got it in a medium. If anything, I could have easily fit into the small as well, but I like the way the medium is. I guess I can just wear like a jumper underneath. It's really long. It comes just by my ankles. I love it. It's got lapels. This is the belt to it. There's like pockets inside. I just love this jacket, and it's a trench, but it's like, it's kind of like a spin on a trench because it's not your standard trench coat, which is what I love so much about it. Gorgeous dress. So it's a little bit like the one I'm wearing on now, but it's green and it is full length. This one's actually full length, yeah, so I can easily wear this with heels, and it's got full sleeves. You can belt it around. The last two items that I have here are these pajama sets. I stumbled across the pajama section in Shein, and I absolutely fell in love, and I got this one. This is the first one that I got. Look how pretty it is. It's got little cacti on it. It's just cute, super cute. I got size medium, fits me really well. It comes with matching trousers, which I've got just under there, and they look like this, and they're just so cute. And I've been looking for a pair of like silk pajamas like this one as well, and this is a different type of silk. This silk is a lot more, obviously it's not real silk, it's like satin. It's a lot more softer than the other one, and this is basically the print. It's just got like leaves on it. It's pink and green, and once again it's got matching trousers, and I'm actually super excited to wear these at home. I think I'm gonna wear them today. But yeah, so that's the end of my haul. I did try to do a try on haul, and it failed because it was just really hard to film the outfits on, basically. So it was just hard, especially with like the baby, and I was on like a ticking, it was a ticking time bomb basically. So I had to quickly film it, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I did insert like the little bits so that you can actually see the full piece, because I know a lot of people have been requesting that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.